Thanks for stopping by to check out this feature demo for CM Fusion. Wanted to remind you real quick that if you have any questions about this feature or anything regarding your CM Fusion account, you can always come down here to the bottom right of your screen and select this little chat bubble. And then you can shoot us a message real quick if you have any questions, and it'll be directly routed to our support team to help you. In this video, we're going to cover cost tracking and how you can export your cost tracking into a PDF file or an Excel report. As a reminder, if you come down here to the dropdown, you can drill into either the total cost tracking throughout the life cycle of the project, or you can drill into individual months as well if you'd like to break it down by month. When we export our cost tracking, this will be the overall project totals. So we have the opportunity to download it as a PDF report, which will look something like this with the overall project totals. Additionally, we can download this as an Excel report, which will put all of this data into a spreadsheet, so then you can customize it and do what you would like. After we click Excel report, the system will automatically download your project cost tracking into an Excel spreadsheet broken down by month. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So now that we've downloaded our cost tracking into an Excel file, we'll see our project totals here listed, as well as broken down by month throughout the lifespan of our project. So that is a quick overview of how you can download your cost tracking as a PDF file or as an Excel report. And it just takes a couple of clicks to do either one. As a reminder, if you have questions about this feature or any other feature inside CM Fusion, you can come down here to the bottom right corner and select the chat bubble and shoot us a message. And within minutes or maybe even seconds, a real live person will get back to you to help you out.